I want to do is go out in Ibiza and take a picture. Ya llegó. Salud por
Kill it tonight. Hola.
Down here there might be a little mamacita. You say hello baby, what's going on? Dance motherfucker. 7 in the morning, drunk off my face. Yes you guys, welcome back to the channel. Now we are finally out of South America, back in Europe. We are in Ibiza. This is a last minute trip, celebrating my birthday, also celebrating my boy's success. He's going to be DJing tonight at the best club in the world, #1 rated club. It's going to be a crazy video. Lock in, like always, like, comment, subscribe. Let's get into the video. Alright, go back. Yes. Say hello, look. Hello. Bien,
Downstairs you got 2 rooms to choose.
Which one is my room?
Wherever you want. Not this
you
one, but we choose. We're
you
gonna
chose
share
already,
this
yeah?
one.
Okay, that's cool.
Because I don't want it downstairs.
Perfect.
Nice.
Sick.
It's beautiful. This is what we have to aim, bro. What we have to aim in life. Soon, music is gonna give us this. That's what we're gonna buy.
Amen.
Alright,
on the cards.
Okay. Yeah, we're gonna
Little gym session. Need to get that gym in. It's Tuesday. Can't be slacking.
Thank for you. Email and telephone number, please.
¿Está? ¿Está bien?
¿Qué más? Teco.
¿Cómo estás?
Gusto.
John.
Teco.
No, bueno, ya yo hice un poquito de barra allá afuera. Ya voy a ti.
¿Ah?
You know,
Pechito no.
chest. Yes. 1, come on, 10. 2, come on. 3, come on. 4.
Just paid 35 euros to get into this gym.
25.
No, I paid 35, but I had to buy a fucking towel. And this guy's got me, so I've just paid for this nice air-conditioned gym, and this guy's got me outside, the only outside bit there is, on the bars. We could have done this for free, bro. Everyone knows someone like this in the gym. His set is just chatting, waffling, look at this. Waffling.
Propina lo que tú cobras aquí.
Accent is crazy, man.
What?
I'm listening to your accent, it's crazy. It sounds like kind of like Italian, bro.
Oh yeah?
It's like Italian but Spanish.
Oh, yeah? You feel it? Now that's
Oh
Dominican.
shit,
bro.
I know where I
That's
am.
Caribbean shit.
I know where the fuck I am. I stayed in here, first time I ever
yeah?
come. Wow, this is a throwback.
Oh. I don't know what the fuck I am.
So when did you get here?
Today.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Oh
In the
damn.
morning.
Oh, so
We
you-
didn't sleep, bro. We slept like 3 hours.
Oh, okay.
Bro, we fucked up right now.
Oh damn.
Sleep like for.
Right. Come on, boys, let's load up. I need some cream for sure. Damn, he's not taxing. These lot are absolutely taxing. 25 euro for a 1 bottle of sun cream. These guys just want me to burn, I think. What am I gonna do though? They can't put a price on skin damage, you know? You just need to pay it. But that is a big bump. I don't want to buy a cheap one either, you know what I mean? Because if I get burnt, I'll be like, I should have just paid the extra. So it's expensive out here, man. Thing is, I'm with a load of Colombians. They just use oil, you know, or nothing. I unfortunately need to take a more cautious approach to the sun. So I am stuck with paying these prices for sun cream?
Anytime. And yours is 71.99.
Bro, you know how much they tried to charge me for this sun cream?
How much?
Bro, fucking 26 euros.
26? No
I said-
way.
You know what I said? I say I like chimba and I fucking loroe.
This has extra glow, bro. You know?
Bro, 26.
26? No, bro, sorry. This is going to be the start of a legendary night. I'm going to tell you that right now. The first shot is about to go down. The girls are sunbathing. Hola, hola. Ya llego, ya llego. El patrón está nadando. ¿Qué dice, mano?
¿Qué dice, mano?
Preparando la mente. Ok. Sí. ¿Listo por un shortito?
De una, papi.
Sí, de una. Ah, that's service. That is service, bro. Just tell me something, bro. Like, did I just offer you a shot like 30 seconds ago?
Yeah, of course, bro. That's
Like-
customer service on
Bro,
point.
just cracked the bottle, poured it, and cut lime.
Yeah, look at that, bro. That presentation.
Right,
is-
he wants to be careful, bro. I'm like,
I know,
concierge,
I
I'm coming for his job.
I know.
Reinas, un shotcito o qué?
Ay, yo no, gracias.
Uno.
En la noche, no, yo just mato.
Mira el esfuerzo que hice. Yo corté la lima, todo.
Yo no. Yo solo tomo rumbiano.
Ah, bueno.
Such a quick cold.
Ah, bueno, yo tomé el grande, pues.
Salud.
Salud.
El limón me mancha.
Chupito. De una.
¿Cuál cojo? ¿El que sea?
Cualquiera. Hay tres.
Este que tiene más. Thank you so much, my friend.
No problem. Salud. Hay una más. ¿Quiere? ¡Hay paserito!
Les cuento que esa es la mejor camiseta que usted tiene en su existencia.
Lo que sí puedo pedir es un vaso de
Salud.
agua fría. Así por ahí.
Salud.
Salud.
¿Quieren agüita?
No, yo la verdad no. Con el aguardiente.
Con el agua limpia se pone malo. ¿no?
Tranquilo. Más suave.
Pero es que hay que hacerlo.
Más suave, sí. Eso no es suave.
Yo solo sé
Así, suave. Eso. Ah, so this is the fit for today. It's the birthday night, so we had to go all out. I went a little bit leery, but you know, when it's your birthday, you do whatever you want. And what I want to do is go out in Ibiza and take a pill. No, I'm joking. I want to go out, have a good night with the friends, celebrate. So that's what we're going to do. Just waiting for the girls to put the final touches, and then we're out of it. I think we're going to a restaurant. The boys have been ready for about 2 hours now. One of them's down. One of them's down and ready. Yes, yes. Ooh. Fresh. All of you fresh. Very fresh. I like it. Bueno, muchachos.
Salud, borramos.
Borramos. We're here, we're nice and early, we're turning up. I'm about 7 out of 10 in terms of drunkenness. Had a good few shots now. Feeling lively. Need some music now. I've never been inside a club when it's empty. I was here like 2 years ago and I was off my face and I don't remember much. But we're back with a bang. We're here celebrating my birthday, sorry. My brother's debut at the club. Good times, man. Good times. Wish my brother all the success in the world, he deserves it. Let's get fucked up, mate.
Kill it tonight.
Eso. Una palabra. Para tu hermano.
Estoy muy contenta por mi hermano que va a tocar y va a ser una noche espectacular.
Amén. Una palabra.
Que muchas felicidades, es un gran logro y que espero que la haya súper bien y con toda.
This is, well, they say it's the #1 club in the world. It's empty. So, it's an exclusive right now. Hola, buenas. Una palabra por el blogcito.
¿Qué?
Sí, hola.
Hola.
Blogcito.
Hola.
Yeah. Oh my god, they were fucking amazing. I'm not sure how the audio is going to be, but I'm going to try and continue this tour. So this is the main room. It doesn't actually seem that big, but when it's full of people, it seems a lot bigger, I'm not going to lie. Alright, let's just continue the tour, why not? We've got nothing else to do. So, right now, you've seen the small room, you've seen the big room. Now it's time to see the garden. I can't even remember what the garden looks like, but we're here now. Oh, that heat just hits you as soon as you walk out here. It's seriously hot in Ibiza these days. This is the little garden vibe out here. Plane flying above. This is where you can calm, take a little drink, have a little fag, grab a little shorty, have a drink, you know. Sit right down here, there might be a little mamacita, you say, hello baby, what's going on? And so forth. But yeah, that's what it is, man. That's basically everything you've seen. Now it's just time for them to pile about 5,000 people in here. And we'll have a good fucking jolly up, won't we? Let's go. Ibiza 25, Deco's birthday. Let's run it. Fuck it, I got this wristband anyway. May as well go put it to good use. I can't stand in the same spot for 6 hours. My boy's playing the whole night. He'll forgive me. I need to go sprain my wings a little bit, you know what I mean? How to do a vlog in a club that's like this loud. I'll try my best. 7 in the morning, drunk off my face, just got home, but it's my birthday, so I'm gonna celebrate in style. Why not? Good night, buenas noches, buenos días, no sé. Oh man, I've just woke up in a pool of my own sweat, feeling like I'm in a hangover. I don't know what time it is, my phone's outside. God damn it. Buenos días, buenos días. Yes, of course. No problem. Mesero en mi cumpleaños.
¡Ay, feliz cumpleaños!
¡Oh! ¡Por fin!
Ay, lo iba a tirar al agua y me acordé de la cámara. ¡Ay, feliz cumpleaños! Vea, paisa, paisa, paisa. Se apagaron, pero bueno, no se la sopla. ¡Cumple! ¡Tu cumpleaños! Vamos a decirle con amor que le felicitamos y que le siga cumpliendo muchos más. ¡Bravo!
Let's go. Okay, I pretend.
Se apagó.
Gracias, gracias, gracias.
Fucking cool.